Good afternoon, everybody. I am putting together this video real quick to talk about the last piece of your project, the Ignite Talk, which we're doing right here. It is due next at the end of next week. And so I wanted to go over a couple things. You now have checkpoint 6 assigned to you. And there's several things in here that you can possibly... Okay, so you can see that there's several different things. This talks about what Ignite Talks are. These are some samples that you can look at. There's also a website that's a sample, and I thought that was included in here. It's not. I will share that. So what you want to look at is your Ignite Talk outline and then the overview of your Ignite Talk. So we're going to go in first to that, the overview. Ignite Talk is very similar to a TED Talk. And I'm kind of giving you some creativity, some freedom here to kind of go through and talk about the American Dream and then how it's personal to you. So we are focusing on the American Dream. So it's connecting to our Socratic seminar. You have about 2.5 to 3 minutes to present. I'm not 100% sure we're going to be able to present in this way. So we may just have our script and our slides. And then if you can record your script as you're going through your slides, that would be awesome. You can use something like Screencastify to do that. I know y'all have the Google Chromebooks now though, so let me know how that goes. There's also Adobe Spark that I know you can record audio with. Ideally, you have the slides and you have the script that I can at least look at. And then if it can be recorded, that would be awesome. You have about 13 slides. It goes through about 15 increments, 15-second increments. So you're concise and you want to be very, very, you really just want to focus on visuals, only a couple of words on each slide. It should be easy to read text if you have it. The images should engage your audience. And then what you say is the most important, not what's on your slides. You're going to have a slide at the very end where you cite your sources. So we're going to talk about the American Dream. And we want to answer the essential question for the project, which we've already done a lot of that. And synthesize that information and then demonstrate presentation skills. So you're going to state a claim about the American Dream. You can make that claim whatever you want it to be, but it has to be about the American Dream. And then I want you to explain how the American Dream looks in your life. And then I want you to pull from 2 different articles to support your claim. So basically, you're looking at how the American Dream looks in your life and then anything that resonated with you. So it could be something you mentioned in the Socratic seminar. It could be that you pull from a different source that's in that source list in checkpoint 5. It could be that you find a couple of new sources. You did your own research and you wanted to find that and use that source. And then you're going to use the outline to create your script with the information and brainstorm the images that you need on that outline. Oh, I just skipped ahead. I'm sorry. Once you go ahead and do your outline, then you're going to do the actual slides to create your presentation. Then you're going to find the images to put in your slides, and then you're going to create a shareable link. Ignore that checkpoint 3. And you're going to do a pure Ignite Talk next Thursday. If you're virtual, you may have to pair up with someone on your own to do a peer edit to go through with each person. Okay, and so what else? The other thing I want to show you is the Ignite Talk outline. And I modified this a little bit from what it was originally intended for. But you're going to go through. So your title, like on the slide, this looks really bad. What is the claim? What is the American Dream in your life? And explains how does this support the claim about the American Dream that you made? What short and long-term goals are you setting with it to achieve? And you'll just keep working through, and then you'll go and pull 2 quotes, explain how it connects to your claim, and then you'll have your works cited. So this is actually not that difficult, giving you creative freedoms to talk about the American Dream, talk about what's important in your life, what American Dream do you have. Instead of sending that Google form, we'll talk about it in this Ignite Talk. If you have questions, let me know. Good luck, and I'll see y'all next week.